I recently bought these orascopic ergonomic loops, which were about 3 months of my rent. So come, let's unbox it and see what it's all about and if it's even worth the hype or not. If you're a dental professional and you don't know what loops are, I'm sorry to say, but you've probably been living under a rock. Loupes are special glasses which help in magnification and help you see tiny details way better than the naked eye ever could. Loupes come in varying magnification from 2.5x to even 6x magnification. For me, these aren't my first loupes. I did have a pair of loupes before this, which look like here in this picture. They were about 2.5x and not ergonomic. This time around, I decided to buy the orascopic ergonomic loops because through these loops, I can keep my back straight while looking down at my patient's teeth while I'm working on them. Here in this box, as you can see, this is the light which accompanies the loop. You have to buy it separately, but a loop without light is useless. So definitely invest in a light if you're planning to buy loops anytime soon. And as you can see in this little box, which was inside the bigger box, is the real deal.
Three, two, one.
So, of course, we've got some quality commitment warranty cards, an anti fog wipe, and finally, the loops. I obviously had to get them in this beautiful mauve pinkish color. I mean, they look stunning. As you can see, these are ergonomic loops. They're called that because the lenses are set at an angle so that you can keep your back and neck straight while looking down at your work, protecting you from strain and long term posture issues. And to see your name engraved on your loops with a DDS after is just a whole different feeling. It still gives me goosebumps. This is me trying out the light. As you can see, it's a feather touch type of a switch and not exactly a button, which makes handling the light, turning it on and off easier while you're working. Me trying them on for the first time. I had heard from my seniors that it takes about a month to get oriented and well acquainted with the ergonomic loops. So, yes, I was a little nervous yet excited. Okay, I have my nail paint with me. For my very first task, I planned to paint my nails while wearing the Ergo loops and trying not to make a mess out of it. Okay. Oh my god, I can't nod my head. This is actually fun. Not gonna lie. Ooh. Okay, okay. I feel like I'm looking up. I need to look a little down. Yeah. Yes, this is better. Ooh, what do you think? Okay, I'm not a pro at applying nail polish, but this is not bad for the first try on Ergo loops. Here's me practicing in the Simlab with my Ergo loops. Her posture, stunning. Even her first prep in resto, absolutely beautiful. My very first impression of my Ergo loops was that it's now suddenly a whole new world. You know, after wearing those loops, looking at 3.5x magnification with my back straight, that too was just amazing. And I truly feel like a whole new level of dentistry has been unlocked for me. Having said that, there is, I feel, a learning curve to it. So while my hands are used to working under loops and, you know, I have the muscle memory built in, it's just weird, right? The muscle mind connection with more magnification and that too with your back straight, it's just a little weird. It does require getting used to things, you know. So which is why right now I'm not using it for Simlab and for, you know, exam purposes, just because I don't want to mess up my exams. I'm sticking to my old loops However, I am practicing with my new loupes and I hope to use them in the clinic for sure. But yeah, I'm too new to the loupes to sort of experiment while giving an exam, you know. That was my very first impression. And if you guys want a video of, you know, everything about loupes, like A to Z review of loupes and the different kind of loop companies, then comment loupes and I will definitely make like a explanation video where I discuss what are the different kind of loupes and the different kind of companies that, you know, provide loupes and with what company would I recommend, stuff like that. If you are interested in it, comment below loupes and I will definitely make a new video about it. So yeah, that was the unboxing of my very first pair of Ergo loupes and, you know, my very first impression of it. So if you guys like the video, definitely hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends so that they can also know what it's like adopting a new pair of loupes as a dental student.